Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I haven't done a video like this before, so please let me know if you'd like to see more of these type of videos, but I'm going to be showing you just a few items that I've recently been sent as PR. So companies have got in touch with me asking if I'd be interested in receiving, say, a newest eyeshadow palette or newest skincare, and it's up to me if I want to post or not. No obligations. I was sent these products randomly over the last month or two and I haven't tried them yet. The newest one is from Lottie London and I received that last week, but I'll pop links to all of these products down below in my description if you're interested in taking a look for yourself. But first up, I've got a skincare product from the Inky List. This is mandelic acid treatment, formulated for all, best for normal skins. It helps to reduce the appearance of pigmentation and discoloration. This is a targeted treatment. And if you've never tried the Inky List before, very simple packaging, but really informative. And it tells you exactly what this is, what it means there. So you've got clean, hydrate, treat, moisturize and SPF, and it tells you this is a nighttime product as well, so you apply it at night. So I would use it instead of your normal serum. So after cleansing, maybe facial spray, toner, etc., then you would apply this and then your moisturizer afterwards. I really love the way the Inky List give you all this information about it. So yeah, so this really appeals to me because it tackles the appearance of discoloration and hyperpigmentation, and I suffer really badly from both in summertime. Even though I wear Factor 50 all the time in the summer, because I sweat, hate it. I am thinking about getting Botox, but not Botox where you'd normally get Botox, where, I don't know, I've never had Botox. Where would you have it? In the middle or there? I don't know. Anyway, not normal Botox. Botox right in my hairline to stop me sweating. I sweat badly just here, not so much on my body, but it's just always there. So because I'm constantly sweating when I'm hot, my SPF must come away because I'm always getting pigmentation. It's like a little mask around my eyes and underneath here. So I thought, well, this is affordable. Inky List is affordable, isn't it? So I'm really grateful that they sent this to me. So I will be using that now, coming more into the summer months. If you've tried this, please let me know what you think. So that's the first item I was sent. Next, I've got some skincare products from Beauty Bay. Now this was sent to me quite a while ago and I've had them in the corner of my bedroom for a long while, ready to test out, but I just haven't got around to doing it. So because I've had COVID over the last week and a half, I've been trying to clean up a little bit more. So I've got things in order because I am really scatty and I've got things all over the place. So I thought, right then, get these out in the open so I can use them. And they're vitamin C. Vitamin C brightening cleansing gel with niacinamide for brightening and evening skin tone. So there's a cleansing gel there. If you've tried any of the Beauty Bay skincare products, please let me know what you think of them and if you've got any favourites. I have filmed a video. I recently bought a box, I can't remember what it is now, but it's a skincare box Beauty Bay did that cost, I think it was about £35–40. Fortunately, it's now sold out, but I will upload the video because I know some of you like to see what was in it anyway, so then you know then to like sign up to the waiting list to be alerted of any other boxes that come out. But these boxes, same with the Cult Beauty boxes, they tend to go pretty quickly, but there's quite a few different Beauty Bay skincare products in that box as well, so you'll get to see that video. I'll pop it up over the next couple of days, but yeah, I haven't tried any of the stuff yet. So this is a brightening tonic, vitamin C with niacinamide, and it says brightening and evening skin tone, and we've got 150 mils there. So I've got a cleanser and a tonic, vitamin C and niacinamide. So yeah, so thanks for Beauty Bay for sending these to me. Love vitamin C, as you already know. And then lastly then, I got this little package through the post a few days ago. It's from Lottie London. Got a little card. It says, Lottie London is launching another iconic eyeshadow palette with an insane new colour combo. Made to make your friends green with envy. Meet the new Lottie London eyeshadow palette in Envy Me for £5.95. The palette is packed with 9 trendy, highly pigmented shades, mix and match buttery matte warm browns and nudes with metallic shades in khaki, forest green and gorgeous gold. From day to night, this palette will be your new bestie whenever the occasion. We're so excited to hear what you think. Love the Lottie London team. The colours do look really nice actually. I'll open it up properly to show you. I love the greens. Really, really nice. Yeah, nice earthy colours. I thought that initially was scratched, but it's not. Look, it's got different colours in it. So let's do a bit of a swatch. Oh, wow. Look. Really pretty colours. Look at that one. Can you see the colour shift? It's like a red, rust, green, gold. It's this one. It's that one there. It's stunning, isn't it? It was really pretty. And to go with it, they sent me a makeup brush. This is a Leo 15 firm eyeshadow brush, if I've said that right. And I think I might already have this already. I think I've had something similar in a beauty box, but really like the shape of it. Yeah, really nice brush there. So thank you to Lottie London for sending these two out for me as well. So there you go, it's just a little mini haul, but I just thought I'd show you some new products that have recently been released and products that are about to be released as well. If you'd like to see more of these videos, more PR videos and what I get sent, then please let me know down below. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.